Hey everyone, Kawaii Brit here, and today I have a Wish haul for you. Wish is amazing because everything is really cheap. The only thing I really purchased there are craft supplies, but you can get anything under the sun on the app. Shop at your own risk though. I got a few items in this haul. Let's go ahead and open them up. The first package I got came with all the stickers I ordered. I got these stickers with the phases of the moon. Then I got some of these Disney stickers. Just look at them, they're so cute. I also got these butterfly stickers. There are so many different butterflies in this pack. And the last box of stickers that I got were these strawberries. I got these in a flash sale, so they were all free. I only had to pay $2.59 per box for shipping. The next package contained a set of washi tape that I ordered. I'm pretty sure this wasn't the set that I ordered, but I'm not too upset as I like these as well. There are 10 different washi patterns, and I only paid $1.44 for the washi and $2 for shipping. These are about half the size of normal washi rolls, but still seem to have quite a bit of tape on them. And on to the last package. In this package, I had another set of washi. This washi was free, and I only paid $5 for the shipping. That's like $1 a roll. And I love the patterns, so I couldn't resist. I'm pretty happy with this haul, and I can't wait to create something with all of these items. I've already made another order for more washi, so be ready for another Wish haul in the future. Which of these products did you like the most? Thanks for watching, everyone! If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to check out the description for all the links to my other social medias. Don't forget to hit the like button if you want to see more like this. And leave me a comment so I know you're here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.